So today I'm thinking about co-creating, recreating a new beginning, because this video is taped at the beginning of the year, and that's always a very good time to let go of what does not serve us anymore. Sometimes we don't even know what that is, and we just feel something is holding us back, and to look forward to something new. So the key is, I think, that we create something new, a goal, a desire that is achievable if we work on it. Not necessarily something that's within our comfort zone, but something that we are really excited about, that's connected to our inner truth, and that really makes us wanting it in a way that makes all the body cells jump and be joyful and invigorated and energetic, because then this is actually the motor, the activation to overcome what we want to leave behind, or what we don't even know that we want to leave behind in our conscious mind. So no matter if you are aware of what you leave behind or not, when your goal is exciting enough and you can feel it already happening in your body, in your mind, in your soul, and you smell it and you taste it, all these things, all these senses are activated, then this can take care of you moving on. And I noticed that with myself, that I do now things that I didn't do for a while. Like I do technical things by myself, even this video, and I prove to myself I can do it. I might be afraid, or maybe I think I'm afraid of technical stuff, but actually that might be just a story. That might be just something that I made up one time in my life, or how I reacted to somebody else's reaction when I was dealing with technical stuff, laughing about me or so. But I don't want to give my power away and let this have power over me. So that's my goal, besides other goals. That's something that a lot of people can relate to, and not too personal, to share with, is that I do more of this technical stuff, and I just feel how I feel more, how can you say that, how I feel more independent and self-sustainable. I don't have to depend on my husband, for example, that he has got time, or he looks something up for me, or he presses the button for me. And it also shows me that, again, when I put my mind to it, I can do it, and so can you. You have that inside you. And this is a good time. Whenever you see this video, it's always a good time, not just at the beginning of the year, that you remember that you have it all inside you. So if you have a wish, a goal, and you want to achieve it, don't worry about that you can't do it. Do it. Because as soon as you have a wish, you also have all the capacity and potential inside you.